Welcome to Connections Web Analytics tutorial. Today, this presentation aims to define web analytics and its benefits for Connections. It'll cover key concepts for implementing a successful analytic campaign, and it will introduce the web analytic package for Connections and conduct a tutorial of its use. The Connections vision is such that it wants to be seen as world-class in the eyes of its clients by providing superior service through integrated outsourcing solutions. Analytics can accomplish this. It is considered to be the measurement, collection, analysis, and reporting of digital data for the purposes of understanding and optimizing business performance. How can this benefit Connections? By answering questions about its website, its visitors, and its marketing. It can help to define Connections' target market, establish the foundation for its online presence, as well as assist in fulfilling the Connections vision. Analytics will offer qualified and quantified data to increase the company's return on investments. Let's look at some key concepts of web analytics. There are some common misconceptions about analytics. Some believe that it is based on just following the numbers and the software. As a result, it may be considered as a difficult process. Contrary to this belief, 90% of web analytics is based on the intuition of analysts as they look at visitors and their behaviors. The other 10% is considered to follow the software. This makes it a more subjective process. How does web analytics work? It is designed to have a framework that must be established based on business goals and objectives to gain actionable insights for improvement. A look at the web analytics process shows that it begins by defining goals. Smart business goals must be specific to the target market, they must be measurable, and they must be actionable in order to cause changes. It should also be relevant to the business and industry and timely to measure its achievement. It can take the company in the direction that it needs to go to help find that specific market that will bring success. Following the SMART goals is the key performance indicators and metrics. These work to track website and business goals, focus efforts on targeted groups, improve on marketing strategy plans, and it is tailored to the company's objectives for the right analysis. Once these key performance indicators are established, the data may now be collected, and the company must collect the right information for its market goals. The data allows for qualified decision making, so the data must be accurate and it must be a sufficient amount for analysis. Data analysis can lead to insights, how to improve low conversion rates, how to improve website and landing pages, and understanding the Connections' customer behavior. Once these are completed, testing is available to determine the ability to measure more than one goal, test across the entire website, and test according to different segments of the market, locations, and even channels. Implementation begins after the right goals, key performance indicators, and an analyzing of data is collected, which results in changes that give great returns on investments. Let's look at the IBM Digital Analytics for the connections. IBM Analytics offers some key elements, one of which is the intuitive reporting. This offers each executive a customizable dashboard, which is able to monitor real-time key performance indicators and discover areas of growth from looking at performance benchmarks on peers as well as competitors. It helps to access reports from various web networks, such as Microsoft Excel, BlackBerry, iPhone, and Android. It is able to view comprehensive data on a dashboard, which is able to also track website activity and document it without the use of cookies or an IP address. Intuitive reporting provides intuitive insights to share with company leaders. As we can see on this dashboard, executives will be able to look at key performance trends as well as real-time sales. IBM's analytics also helps to capture powerful real-time analytics. Executives will be able to access real-time data that gives insights on customer trends for immediate action changes to home and landing pages by marketers. It'll offer segmentation ability to decipher visitor behavior over different time periods, different sessions, and different channels. The analytics will get the most out of mobile applications and channels and help to determine how their type, usage, and size would be used by customers. As we can see here, we're able to look at several key performance indicators and be able to monitor them. IBM's analytics also allows for acknowledging credit where it is due. By monitoring marketing channels, we're able to determine the true return on investment for each channel based on its assigned marketing capabilities, determine which combination of marketing campaigns yield higher returns on investments based on certain Venn diagrams or touchpoint paths. We're able to also share the credit for conversions along touchpoint paths through the use of a standard or custom attribution model. From behavioral insight to automated digital action, the analytics is able to initiate action changes based on several items that are offered by this package. Through acquisition of raw data, through its lifetime individual visitor experience or live profiles, we're able to monitor visitor activity and interactions. It is also given the ability to maneuver between the IBM Digital Analytics and the IBM Marketing Management applications. The ability to use live profiles to provide applicable suggestions will allow for display advertising efforts and personalized emails with just a few clicks. The use of IBM's Digital Marketing Optimization Suite offers analytic-driven, timely content, which helps to make changes to content on advertising networks and email service providers. Finally, the ability to increase advertising return on investment, sales across channels, and customer loyalty, as well as refocus success goals. Here we can look at the several channels, the email, paid search, and display, and see how they interact with each other. IBM's, upon implementation, its digital analytics will have the capability to propel connections to aim for its world-class status. It will have intimate connection with who our visitors are, as well as their needs and wants, to tailor company key performance indicators and SMART goals. It will help to track successes within the company and with competitors. It will give it actionable insights to make immediate changes to marketing channels and insight. It will give executives a first-hand knowledge through customized knowledge. And it will also give several built-in applications to help make monitoring the data manageable. Web analytics allows connections to offer its world-class experience.